This is how a 29-year-old girl made $100,000 in just one day and $2 million a year teaching people how to use Excel. Let me explain. In 2020, Kat Norton started creating videos on TikTok, teaching people how to use Excel. Now, let's be honest, Excel isn't exactly the most interesting thing on the internet. However, within a few short months, Kat started generating more income from selling her Excel course than she was earning from her job as a management consultant. And within a few years, she had a full-scale business making 7 figures a year teaching this skill. In this video, I want to break down 3 lessons that you can take away from her success and how you can use these to actually do the same. Lesson number 1, Kat taught a skill that not only empowered people in their careers, but also helped them earn more money. So teaching a skill or actually facilitating a transformation is one of the most effective ways to make money online. You can create and sell a course, you can establish a membership, or you can actually work one-on-one with clients. Or if you're smart, you can actually do all the above. More on that later. If you have a skill or there's a transformation that you've gone through that you can actually guide people through, you basically have a business. This could be weight loss, it could be bodybuilding, it could be teaching people a skill like copywriting or video editing. There are tons of options out there and topics that you can start a business around. And if you're somebody who's thinking like, well, actually, I don't have any skills or I'm not actually interested in anything that people are interested in as well, I would actually do some research because I bet there's something out there that you can actually focus on. For example, let's say that you're into gardening. You might not think that's a big topic, but if you actually go on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or any social media account, you're probably going to find tons of profiles that have huge audiences that are all around gardening. You could actually do the same. So you would create an account, you could create videos and share your experience around what you're actually doing. And then you can actually then lead those people who are interested in the topic into a membership or create a course around a specific gardening practice. You could then sell merch and products and actually have an entire business model all around this topic. Lesson number 2, Kat mastered the art of content creation. So learning how to generate ideas, scripting engaging videos, planning effective shoots, and editing content for social media. These are all super valuable skills in today's world. And in Kat's case, if you're able to make videos go viral about a topic like Excel, you've probably figured it out. But for lots of people, this is actually scary. You have to put yourself out there. You have to learn different skills like how to film and edit and post consistently, and there's a lot going on. But the reality of it is that the skill is very important, especially if you're trying to start any type of online business. The good news is that you can learn all of this stuff for free on channels like this on YouTube. I suggest you put the time in, start learning, start observing what other people are doing in the industry that you're interested in, and I promise you it's gonna pay off. Finally, lesson number 3, timing played a significant role in Kat's success. Being in the right place at the right time is a real phenomenon. And in Kat's case, she began creating content on TikTok during the pandemic when social media usage skyrocketed and people are actually also working from home. So obviously that made a lot of sense for her considering she was actually teaching a skill that people were using in their day-to-day lives. Now with that said, right place, right time doesn't mean that you have to wait for the next Black Swan event. You could leverage trending topics. You could leverage creating content with a new feature on a social media platform like Reels or Shorts when they first come out. The point is, there's going to always be a new opportunity and the winners are the ones that leverage it first. So those are my 3 takeaways for this one. If you're somebody who's ready to get started with your online business, I definitely suggest you check out Memberup University. In it, we walk you through step-by-step how to create an extraordinary membership, and it's totally free when you sign up with Memberup. Also, if you're not sure where to start, we created a free download with over 200 community ideas. You can grab that in the link in the description. Lastly, if you like this video and you want to see more business breakdowns, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell, and if you have any ideas that you want to see when it comes to these types of breakdowns, drop us a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.